Hello everyone, my name is Sandelanda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make a spoon move by itself using Premiere Pro. What I did to achieve this kind of effect is first, I glued a wire at the back of the spoon. So I can just hold the wire while stirring the spoon and it will be easier for me to mask it out in Premiere Pro. The second step is I created two different scenes of video. The first scene was me pouring the coffee on the cup, and then the second scene was me stirring the spoon. And then from there, I'll put them all together in Premiere Pro and mask out the second scene so it will look like the spoon is moving by itself. Okay, now that we are in Premiere Pro, the first step that we need to do is to import the two videos that we created. If you can see right here, the two videos are already in my timeline. In track number 1, this is where I am putting the coffee in the cup. And in track number 2, this is where I am stirring the spoon. That's why here in your program, you can only see in your program panel, you can only see the video wherein I'm stirring the spoon. But we are going to mask this out later. Now, next step is make sure track number 2 is selected. And then go to your effect controls, change the opacity down to 50%. We need to do this so we would know when to start the masking. And then from a timeline, play it until when you're about to pour the coffee, because this is where we are going to start the masking. So from here, if you can see right here, so here, we are going to start the masking right here. To do that, make sure track number 2 is selected. And first, change the opacity back to normal, to 100%. And then from here, click on the free draw bezier. And then click on mask path, mask feather, mask opacity, and mask expansion. The mask feather, let's type in 50%, and then let's type the mask opacity, we will keep it as 100%. Mask expansion, we are going to change it to 2. And then from here, click on mask path, and first, here make sure that, again, track number 2 is selected. In your program, create one square first. From here. Now, if you can see here, it's already working. Our masking is already working. So that means we can only see the video at the back. Now from here, position your mask here, down to here to where in your spoon is being shown. Now from here, go to the next frame and click on mask path first. Go to the next frame. By doing that, click on right arrow key. So that means we are doing it frame by frame. Just do it slowly. So make sure that the coffee right here will not touch the blue line of the masking, because if it will happen, the head of the coffee will be it will be blurred or it will be gone. So we are going to avoid that. So now let's move the arrow key. Now if you can see right here, it's like touching the coffee. Let's just move it right here like this. And then again, click on mask path. And then go to the next frame, arrow key to the right. Now wait for the bottle to be removed. Now, this is where the spoon is going to move. From here, now we can move this back to right here. Like this. Now, again, click on mask path, arrow key, and then I think this is it. If you can see, the spoon is moving by itself, but we cannot, you will not be able to see my hand here where I'm steering the spoon. And then this will go all the way to the end. That's it. We're done with the masking. Next is just play it. To do that, make sure your timeline is clicked, is active, and just press enter. And that's it. It's that simple. You can now apply this technique to all your videos if you want to make something move by the use of masking. If you have any comments or video suggestions, please comment down below. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I hope to see you on my next video, and be safe.